Hi students, welcome to your first grammar lesson. Throughout the year, we are going to be working on sentence structure. So I'll give you guys an example sentence. Like to. Now, this is not a sentence because it's missing several factors to it. In order to begin any sentence, we need to use a capitalized letter or the big letter. So for example, we could say, I like to. Okay, so we're doing great so far. We got a capitalized letter at the beginning of the sentence, but this sentence is not complete because I like to what? What do we like to do? We could say we like to run. Now, this is a sentence because it has like I and then has a verb, and I like to run. So it's completely formed, but in order to end every sentence, we need a period, a dot at every end of a sentence. I like to run. So we have a capitalized letter. The sentence is clearly formed because it has a descriptive to it. It's very descriptive, and it ends with a period. Okay, that's our first warm-up sentence. If you're still kind of confused, we are going to be working with grammar and sentence structure throughout the year. So don't worry, we'll get there. Okay, and also another point is, how do we read? We always read from this side, left to right. Okay, and if there's another sentence before, we start again. So imagine this is a sentence right here. We just begin reading from left to right. And then we just keep on going down the page, left to right, down, left to right. Okay, so we're going to try a different sentence. I'm going to use a different color. We see Sam. Okay, now this sentence is completely formed because it has a person and they have a verb to show what they're doing, and then we have a descriptive, we see Sam. So, but this sentence is missing two factors. So what we are missing is a capitalized W. To begin every sentence, we need a capitalize. So the W needs to be capitalized. But another thing we need to capitalize is a person's name, and that would be Sam. In every sentence, we always capitalize a person's name because they're a person. Yeah, we always capitalize places, people, and days of the week and months of the year in sentences. We see Sam. Okay, so this sentence is pretty good, but what are we missing? We are missing a period. Because like I mentioned, we need a capitalized letter every time to start a sentence, and we need to capitalize names, and in order to end a sentence, we need a period. Okay? Let's try another one. Can see. So we have can see, and this isn't really a sentence because can see what? Who's doing the seeing? We can say with a capitalized W, we can see the jam. And what do we need to end every sentence? A period. Now the sentence is fully formed because we have a capitalized W at the beginning of the sentence. And we have like what we are seeing in the sentence, and we have our end in period, which we need to use every time we end a sentence. We'll be going more over sentence structure and grammar rules throughout the year, but this is just a beginner lesson to get your toes wet in grammar. Okay, I'll be sending you practice sentences throughout the week, depending on the week, and it'll probably be on Class Dojo, but keep on the lookout for that. But this is just an introduction to grammar and sentence structure. Thanks.